Most big YouTube channels make less than $500 a month despite getting millions of views on their videos. But on this channel, I recently was able to make $10,000 from just 15,000 views by monetizing my audience effectively, selling tiny digital products. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 tiny products that are guaranteed to sell in 2025. And if you stay till the end, I'm also going to show you one tiny product that makes $2,000 per day. So let's get into it. So just before we get started, I'm just going to explain what is a tiny product and why should you care about selling them on YouTube. It's basically a small digital product that can be created with minimal effort and sold to thousands of people on autopilot. And the reason people like tiny products so much is because they're small and easy to create. You can sell it online, helps people achieve something, and solves a specific problem for potential clients. Now, another reason is they're quick to make. They're usually priced between $29 to $99 and can be sold forever without much additional effort on your side. And this is the reason that I was able to make over $10,000 from just 15,000 views by selling a tiny product and following this simple formula. Now, the great thing about tiny digital products is that they generate passive income. You create it once and it keeps generating money for you literally while you sleep. So this not only adds extra revenue to your business, but it also attracts new clients who may be interested in purchasing your higher priced products and services later down the line. Basically, tiny products allow you to attract a wider audience, provide value at a lower cost entry, and generate a consistent flow of revenue for your business even during the quiet periods of the year. Now we're going to look at 4 of my favorite tiny digital products so you can visualize which one you might want to add into your business. Number 1 is EGuides. EGuides generally share information, teaching people step by step how to do something. EGuides are popular because they're very simple and easy to create. You can simply take a skill or knowledge that you already have, package that into an eGuide, and then sell that to thousands of people on autopilot. Now, in terms of the passive income potential of this product, I would give it an 8 out of 10. The reason is because once you create it, eGuides require minimal ongoing effort and can be sold repeatedly on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your website. The evergreen nature boosts their passive income potential. And in terms of income potential, I would also give this an 8 out of 10 because even though it's priced lower, generally between $10 to $50, it has a high scalability, and this kind of product can be very successful depending on the niche demand and effective marketing. Just to let you know, guys, in February I'm launching the Digital Product Academy, teaching creators how to monetize their audience effectively, create the first digital product, and generate sales on autopilot. If you join the waitlist now, you can gain access for 90% off. And if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. The second type of tiny product is the 90-minute workshop. Now, I've done 90-minute workshops before. I still do them to this day. They're very simple to put together. They offer a lot of value to the audience because they can ask you questions in the workshop and also get your personal insights and advice on a specific topic. The easiest way to create a 90-minute workshop is to create a series of slides and then deliver those slides in a live workshop, also adding your personal insights and advice in between. Now, in terms of passive income potential, I would give live workshops a 5 out of 10. The reason for this is because live workshops have a lower passive income potential due to the need for real-time delivery. In terms of income potential, I'd give live workshops 8 out of 10. You can price them between $50 to $500, especially for niche or professional topics. Also, upselling at the end of a workshop also increases income potential as well. To maximize income for a live workshop, you could record and repurpose the live workshops and turn them into evergreen recordings that can be sold as standalone products. You could also take a live workshop, chop it up into individual recordings, and then sell that as a micro course. For high value extras, you could also include worksheets, access to private Q&A sessions, or exclusive resources to increase perceived value. Tiny product number 3 is micro courses. Basically a course compressed into short focused learning modules. Now these are very popular and people like to buy them because they can learn a skill in a very short period of time. For example, you could create a micro course that teaches people how to learn a skill or achieve a desired outcome in 5 days, accompanied with a worksheet and a template so they can implement the information from each lesson. In terms of passive income potential, I would give these a 9 out of 10 because once completed, micro courses can generate consistent income with little ongoing effort if hosted on platforms like Teachable or Udemy. Pricing can range from $50 to $200 and can scale very well with upsells or larger courses on related products. Tips to maximize income: I would niche down, create specific actionable courses that solve one small problem or teach people a skill. I'd also leverage on existing platforms like Udemy, Kajabi, Teachable, or Gumroad for exposure to existing audiences. Another way to maximize revenue is leverage email list integration. What I would do is build an email list using evergreen content, and then I would use email marketing to promote and automate sales funnels for your courses. And tiny product number 4, one of my personal favorites, is email courses. This is basically drip-fed lessons for your email. These are also very popular and very easy to create because they take minimal effort on your side. All you need to do is create a short email sequence teaching people a specific skill or how to achieve a desired outcome. Automate that on an email marketing platform like ConvertKit or Beehive, and then once people purchase that product, the course is then delivered to the customer with daily emails, sometimes accompanied by resources and templates. Now, these are very popular with creators because you can literally create it once in a day and then sell it to thousands of people on autopilot without any extra work on your side. Now, in terms of passive income potential, I would give this an 8 out of 10 because after the initial setup, these can run on autopilot with email marketing platforms like ConvertKit or Beehive. In terms of income potential, I would give this a 7 out of 10 because these are often free or low cost as a lead magnet, but income grows when tied to upsells, memberships, or premium content. Now, to maximize the income of an email course, what you could do is upsell premium products, conclude your email course with a compelling pitch for an advanced product like a full course, coaching, or consulting. Email courses are also an effective way to monetize your audience and build your email list. And what you would do is offer a free email course as a lead magnet, but incorporate affiliate links, sponsored content, or exclusive recommendations for revenue. Now, in terms of my favorite tiny products, it would probably be the EGuide, but specifically the email course. I like both of these options because you can just create them once, sell it thousands of times, and it requires literally no effort on your side after the initial setup. Now, as I said at the start of the video, I wanted to show you one tiny product that makes $2,000 per day, and the tiny product is this product, which is actually Canva templates targeted specifically for creators and business owners. Now, the reason this tiny product is so successful and makes $2,000 per day is because this creator targets Black business owners and Black creators. Now, this is a tip that you can implement to make your tiny product more successful by targeting a specific niche of people within an audience. For example, if you're a business owner that targets fitness coaches, then maybe you could create templates like this for fitness coaches. Or if you're a content creator that teaches 40-year-olds how to create content, then maybe you could create templates like these targeted for 40-year-old content creators. But anyway, guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. But let me know in the comments what you think about tiny digital products and which is your favorite tiny product. Is it the EGuides? Is it the live workshop? Is it the micro course? Or is it the email courses? Give me your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think.